Community of Practice for Nature-Based Solutions in Western Balkans is a joint initiative of IUCN and its ADAPT project and EU for Green project implemented by Austrian Environmental Agency. And this is the third meeting of COP. The main focus of this event is applicability and usage of NbS standard in the forest landscape restoration. COP members are coming from the Western Balkans region, and they're mainly representatives of civil society, academia, but also institutions relevant for this field.
It was really great to be part of a community that brings together NGO sector together with academia and international organizations such as IUCN to address together the need for restoration using nature-based solutions and to look jointly into the standards and their application and also policy implementation. I see specific value also in bringing different sectors together, such as forestry and nature protection, and bringing them on board with common understanding of how to apply nature-based solutions and restoration, and also actors from different level, local or national, and from different institutions or organizations, already creating a bit of a multi-stakeholder platform.
We are always trying to see how nature can help us to overcome some of the social or economical challenges. In that sense, the understanding of way how IUCN and its global standard look or analyze these aspects is quite valuable for me, and definitely it will help me to create or to participate in the projects that will at the end be effective in overcoming the variety of social and economic challenges within the Bosnia and Herzegovina and the region.
Nature-based solutions are always the best solutions we can take for restoring landscape, but it's good to learn about all the standards for applying them.
The IUCN Global Standard and the self-assessment tool seems like a great way to assess the scope and the effects that the project can deliver and how aligned it is with the global standards, with the global issues.
An opportunity to be here with people from the region, sharing solutions to different problems which we more or less share.
We have the global standard for nature-based solutions, which is a global tool, but it is applicable in different sectors, but also we need the reality from the ground. It was my pleasure to give this training, not only training, but also exchange knowledge. It was a learning experience, not only for them, but also for me, to get to know what is happening in Western Balkans. And I think it's also going to help us not only in Western Balkans, but at global level, because I'll be using this experience to share in other regions that we are working with as IUCN work globally.
We are trying to introduce our work to see how this work fits within the overall frame. And of course, the most important, to hear other people, what are they doing, how can I apply their knowledge, their experience, their goodwill in something that I'm working on.
IUCN is currently leading a development of Western Balkans' 6th Forest Landscape Restoration Plan, and it is a consultative process, and the idea is to involve all relevant stakeholders in these consultations. A community of practice provides opportunity for representatives of civil society and academia to get involved in this process and to provide their contribution and comment to the document which is under development.
I see this plan as one overall document that will guide the policy within the Western Balkans 6, how they can integrate within the policy as well as legal framework these initiatives that are recognized globally by the global treaties as well as by the EU documentation or EU legal framework.
One of the increasingly rare opportunities to be present at design of a plan which is normally reserved for sectoral representatives. So it is really important to have not only CSO or NGO present, but to actually try to put more green thinking.
CSOs play an active role as a catalyst for new and innovative ways. That is why we as a civil society need to be involved in the implementation and management of such actions on the ground. And when working on positive practices like this, we tend to replicate it in many regions, distributing the knowledge involving new stakeholders and creating a synergy of joint ownership of the nature restoration, which is good for further replication and advancement.
We have a joint perspective, and that it's good that all different views are now here being discussed. Because all in all, in the core of a nature-based solution is that it's relevant for all stakeholders at hand. So just that from the beginning, having all perspectives accounted and having everyone's views will make sure that whatever the project is, it can give realistic results for every perspective, even though I agree that some trade-offs will probably be made on every single side. Still, the best solution will probably come in the end.